Welcome back to our channel, and we truly appreciate your amazing support, comments, likes, and shares every single time. Your support motivates us to continue bringing you valuable content that can make a real difference. We understand that many people around the world are facing increasing economic challenges, rising costs, and the pressure of finding additional ways to improve their financial situation. That is why we dedicate our time to researching, discovering, and sharing practical ideas, tools, and opportunities that can help you explore additional income streams alongside your current source of income. Our goal is simple: to provide you with useful information, strategies, and resources that can help you learn, grow, and take advantage of the opportunities available in the digital world. Remember, building online income is a journey. It requires patience, consistency, learning, and the willingness to keep improving. Results may not happen overnight, but with the right knowledge and continuous action, progress is possible. So, stay focused, stay consistent, and never give up on your goals. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive into today's video and discover what you need to know. Success is frequently attributed to talent, but the reality is that the tools we use play a crucial role in achieving our goals. While natural ability can provide an advantage, leveraging the right resources can dramatically enhance productivity and organization. Throughout this section, we will explore 7 transformative tools that have proven to drive business growth and streamline daily tasks. These tools offer practical solutions that go beyond individual skill, empowering anyone to reach new heights. By understanding and adopting them, you can unlock greater efficiency and progress in your professional journey. In this section, we'll explore 7 essential tools that have transformed my approach to work, time management, and scaling online activities. Each tool offers unique features that streamline daily tasks, making workflows more efficient and manageable. By integrating these tools, I've been able to boost productivity, increase my income, and minimize feelings of overwhelm. We'll briefly look at how each one contributes to a smoother, more effective way of working online. Embracing these tools can significantly enhance your workflow, making daily tasks more efficient and freeing up time for strategic growth. By integrating these solutions, businesses can streamline operations and stay ahead in a competitive market. Remember, continuous improvement is key to long-term success. Stay informed and keep exploring new ways to optimize your processes for sustained business growth. Tool number 1, the Ultimate Productivity Booster. The first tool that changed everything for me is before using this tool, I was spending too much time trying to organize tasks, remember important things, and manage different projects. But this tool helped me create a better system. It allows you to plan your day, manage your goals, track your progress, and stay focused on what truly matters. The biggest lesson I learned is this: your time is your biggest asset. If you cannot manage your time, you cannot manage your growth. This tool helps you save hours every week and gives you more energy to focus on money-making activities. Tool number 2, work smarter, not harder. The second tool is something that completely changed the way I create and work online. You can no longer miss your business calls and leads again that make you sales. In today's world, speed matters. The people who can create faster, learn faster, and adapt faster usually have the advantage. This tool helps with automation, creativity, research, and completing tasks that normally take hours. Imagine being able to finish in minutes what used to take you an entire day. That is the power of using the right technology. Tool number 3, a game changer for money management. One thing many people struggle with is managing finances. You can earn money, but if you do not track and manage it properly, it becomes difficult to grow. This tool helped me understand where my money goes, plan better, and make smarter financial decisions. Financial growth is not only about making more money, it is also about controlling, protecting, and using money wisely. Tool number 4, customized WordPress website, building skills faster. The world is changing every day. New skills, new platforms, and new opportunities are appearing constantly. This tool helped me learn faster and improve my knowledge without spending unnecessary time searching everywhere. The people who continue learning are the people who continue growing. Never stop upgrading yourself. Your knowledge is one of the greatest investments you can make. Tool number 5. 90 Days Market Plan Challenge. Scaling your online business. If you are building anything online, you understand that growth requires systems. You cannot do everything manually forever. This tool helps you organize your business, communicate better, reach more people, and create systems that allow you to scale. Scaling means moving from doing everything yourself to creating processes that work even when you are not working. That is how bigger results are created. Tool number 6. Viral UX Tool. Content creation made easy. Content is everywhere today. Whether you are creating YouTube videos, social media posts, online courses, or marketing campaigns, content is the bridge between you and your audience. This tool helped me create better content faster. It gives me ideas, improves creativity, and helps turn simple thoughts into valuable information. Remember, consistency wins. You do not have to be perfect. You just need to keep improving and showing up. Tool number 7. Professional Instagram Codabide. The tool that brings everything together. The final tool is one of my favorites because it connects everything. It helps you stay organized, save time, improve efficiency, and focus on growth. When you combine all these tools together, you create a powerful system. And the truth is, successful people are not always doing more. They are using better systems. So, those are the 7 tools that completely changed my life, my productivity, and the way I approach finances and growth. The right tools will not magically create success overnight, but they can give you the advantage you need to move faster and build smarter. If you start using even one of these tools today and apply it consistently, you can create a huge difference over time and get results. Free download link here, all our subscribers and viewers, just to thank you for your support.